Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Motorists will pay more for petrol at the pumps come tomorrow. The second hike in as many weeks. 87 and 90 gasoline will see more than $3 added to the price of unleaded petrol come Thursday. Automotive diesel will be increased by just under $2, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by a little under $3. Kerosene will be hiked by $1.14. LPG propane will also be increased by 75 cents, while butane is up 33 cents. And oil for delivery in August lost 9 cents, or 0.16% per barrel, to settle at $57.25 a barrel. Antigua and Barbuda Prime Minister Gaston Brown today called for the establishment of a Caribbean bank that would allow the region to counteract the position of international banks regarding corresponding banking. He says the proposed entity would be owned by various indigenous banks in the Caribbean. It would have the branches in the diaspora in order to provide services to the Caribbean. Caribbean countries, including Jamaica, have been arguing that the threat by banks in developed countries to withdraw corresponding banking services would exclude the region from the global finance and trading system, with grave consequences for the maintenance of financial stability, economic growth, remittance flows, and poverty alleviation. Brown, who is leading the region's response to the issue, told the Caribbean Media Corporation that the region has been making slow progress in dealing with the matter. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $132.65. The Canadian dollar cost $102.45. Sterling is going for $166.47, while the euro sells for $149.85. The main JC index advanced by 1,748 points today, while the junior market index slipped by 36. Today's winners include 1834 Investments, Main Event Entertainment Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Fontana, and Stanley Motor. The decliners include G West Corporation, Lasco Financial Services, Access Financial Services, Lasco Distributors, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.